That's too close.
Alpha, I'm burning through fuel here. Hurry up with those cases.
All right, I'm good. Come on. I'm reloading. Blowing the door.
Alpha, I'm burning through fuel here. Hurry up with those cases.
What do you got? Looks good to me. Watch that goddamn lurker! Holy mother! Swamp it out!
Alpha, I've got limited fuel here. Clock's ticking.
Thank you.
Whoa! Watch your end!
We're totally exposed. Look at all these open windows.
Where is the...
Gotta reload!
Alpha, I've got limited...
Going upstairs. I got one of the cases. Nice work. Let's find the next one and get out of here.
Doc, we're heading to the second case. Be ready to move.
Yeah, I'll be ready.
Eyes open for a lurker. Silence that son of a bitch!
I'm reloading!
Got that down. Stay clear.
Take down the ball!
Swapping out!
One after another! Burn in hell!
Silence that son of a bitch!
Alpha, I'm burning through fuel here. Hurry up with those cases.
Put the screamer down!
Alpha, I'm burning through fuel here. Hurry up with those cases.
Shut up! Help! Kill this thing!
Stay down!
Holy shit! Going upstairs. Gotta reload! Got number 2. Let's get the doc and get out.
Heads up for a lurker!
Watch that goddamn...
Doctor, we have a satellite link at our base.
I'm-
Does that work for you?
No, I can only reactivate from the primary terminal.
Which is where?
The Raham base, in the desert north of here. Alpha, Ram has a Mach-Bed auto anti-air system. We'd be shot down.
Shit! Here they come!
Last gas bag.
Swapping out! Get in here. I'm not doing this solo. Phoenix, we're coming.
Copy. Moving the consulate helipad.
This way! We can use the rooftops to get there.
Lurker!
Alpha, I have a visual on you.
Copy that.
I can't get the gate open. It's locked. Open it!
I got it. Buy me some time.
Taking this out. Ouch! We have a major swarm coming in. Massive horde heading in.
Move your fucking asses, Alpha. Alpha, they're climbing the walls toward the chopper.
Take down that stack!
He's got me.
Reloading!
Help!
Auto turrets locked and loaded. Need more ammo!
Help! Down. Medic! Medic! Someone help me. Come on, please. Help! Medic! Medic! Someone help me!
Reload!
Help! Down!
I got no ammo! I'm reloading! Gates open! About time. Let's go! What? I think that's all of them. Looks good to me. Reloading! Throwing a Molotov!
Alpha, they're climbing the walls toward the chopper.
We got another swarm!
Fire team! Take down that stack!
Going heavy! I'm on a tear! We're clear. Move! We got them all. We gotta shut him up! Knocking him down! Yes, bang! Night, night!
Almost there, Phoenix.
Shit! Phoenix snagged the tail rotor.
Burn in hell! Got a defense kit here. Can't wait to see him fly. This'll slow him down. Electric grid is set.
Got eyes on a lurker!
We got a bull! Going Everybody okay? Anyone get bit?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Look at them. They never stop.
We could fight our whole lives and never make a goddamn difference.
I think I can help with that.